Hello, welcome to my database. Here it is. Let's go in here. As you can see, it goes straight into my login form. This is because of my auto exec macro, which brings me, as soon as you launch the database, goes straight into which form you want it to go in. Here I've chosen my login form. As you can see, it is enter username and password. In this database, there's only two usernames, user 1 and user 2. User 1 brings you to one menu which gives you full access to the database, such as a form. You can read forms, update forms, and delete forms. But User 2 brings you to the only limited access menu, which only lets you read forms and reports, nothing else. So here you see User 1 and give it the password. Brings you to the full access menu. Here we have go to reports, go to forms, go to queries, and go to query forms, and also about button, change password button, and log out button. This is my full access menu, but I will show you my original menu that I was going to do. Here it is. It's all the options on one page. So you have reports, you have the queries, you have the forms, you have the about, the change password, and the exit button. But I decided that was not good enough, so I have here a new menu, and instead of having all the reports and all the queries and all the forms in one page, I have many different menus. So here we have go to forms. Here's the forms menu. If you exit out of that, then we have to go to reports menu, and so on. So it's a navigation, if you will. And here's, if you go to my about button, this all just says this is done by me and it's my project. Here is the change password menu. So you enter your username, you enter your old password, your new password, confirm password, and this changes the password and gives you a new one. So I'll just do that now. Let's see, user 1, old password, so password 1 is my old one. Enter new password. Let's say hello, confirm, hello, change password, and a prompt says password has been changed. Okay. So if you go into the users table, it is now hello instead of password 1. Now let's just change it back. So old password was hello. Now I just want to say, just see what would happen if you mix up the two, the new password and the confirm password. So let's see, password 1, and I'll just say here password. Change password. Passwords don't match. Fair enough. That's true. So hello. Let's just give it a different old password. So hello 1, and then password 1. Change password. Invalid username and password, which is true. So let's just change it all back. Hello password 1. Password 1. Change. Password has changed. Now if you go to the user table here again, it's back to the original password. Okay, so let's just show you some of my forms. Go to forms, choose which form you want. So let's go into coach here. So here we have the coach form, the title, the date, the picture in the corner. Here then we have the different text to use. There's not much we could do to make it more user friendly because there's infinite amount of decisions you have. So say Mary Finnerty, so there's no option, there's no more options for it. It has to be the name that the user gives. Here though we have main subject. It's a drop down list, so you can choose hurling, athletics. There's the only options you have, so hurling. And there's a list box. It's good, fair, very good, excellent, good here, and university. which university did the course attend? Was it U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, U6? And there's all the different ones here. And as you can see here, these are the add a new form, save a new form, and delete a form. This is the full access menu form, so the other limited access would not have these options. So let's put in C10 Harry Jameson Gary Castle Athlone Westmeath, phone number, date of birth, now main subject, soccer, year appointed 2002. What's the status? Is it fair? Good? Should we just say good? And what university did he attend? So let's give him 3, U3. So now you have that done, you can save it. If you hover over the icon, it says save record, so you won't be confused. Save it. Now if you go into the coach table, here is a new data being entered. So C10 Harry Jameson Gary Castle Athlone Westmeath or whatever, blah blah blah. Soccer, good. So if you go back into the coach, and let's say poor Harry got fired, so you can just simply delete the form. You go back to delete one record, prof, just make sure you are sure to delete. You say yes. Harry is leave from the form, and he no longer exists in the database. So we go into course the table now. He's no longer here. Now, so you can just exit there. There's a doctor, incident, and so on. All these other ones. Here's my reports, all my different reports, the course report, so on. Go to queries. Here's the queries that I different have. We have course details, course university, that's the join query. Health risk is a dynamic query. Courses that not have any UIG. Doctors from County Westmeath. Schools that are not from Athlone. So let's go here to course details. Here we have, I've concatenated all the information into different tables. So coach Mary Finnerty, that'll be in the coach table. Went to UCD, that'll be in the university table. And attended the action of the 2nd of the 1st 2011, that would be instant table. So all of them are joined in together to make one query. And let's exit over here. And join query, these are just joining one query with another query. So we have coach ID, university, forename, surname, name. Here it is there. Here is a dynamic query. So health risk, enter the kind of health risk. You have 3 options: yes, no, maybe. Let's go yes. This brings you to the query that the people who have yes risks. So we have 2 instances here. And let's go to no. Here is the health risk for them. Doctors from Westmeath, there's only 4 of them, and so on. And here are just simply the query forms. So I just created forms from these queries I created here. We'll go in here, let's go into dynamic query. Yes, this brings now to the form view. One of course and read only mode as well. So next record, exit. No, same again, and so on. Now that is the full access menu. So if we log out of here, brings you back to the login menu. So let's just go into user 2 password to log in. Here we have the limited menu. So all we have here now is just forms and reports that are read only. You cannot update, delete, or save any new ones. Here is a question button. So just click that, and it tells you why you're in a limited access menu and what you can and cannot do. It gives the user more help. So go to forms. Here's go to quote read only. So you can see the different options that were in the first menu were gone. All you have here now is just read only. And it's the same for reports. Read only reports. That is all for the user's point of view. Thank you.